How to post voice note on WhatsApp status. So first is you have to go to the WhatsApp application. So you just have to open that, and here it will lead you to your chat section. Now, all you want to do beside the chat section, you will see the status section there. So you just tap on that, and here you will see my status. Now on the bottom part, you will see both a pen and a photo. So I want you to tap on that pencil there, and here on the bottom part you will see the microphone symbol. So all you have to do is to just long press on that and just record everything that you want to post as a note on your WhatsApp status. Now if you want to cancel that one, you can just simply slide it and it will now be deleted. Now let's just record again. You will now have your voice note on WhatsApp as your status. Now, on the upper right, you will see the palette icon. You tap on that, and here you could choose any color you want as the background for your status. And then just click on the send here, and then just wait for it. Then, if you tap on your status, then if you will tap on your status, it will look like this, and you could hear your voice note. So, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.